Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the ADP Run for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to use the self demo. But of course, first is you have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to use the search bar at the top, and then you just have to search for adp.com. That's right, and then you will be directed to this website. All right, so right here, if you would like to get the pricing, so you just have to click on the get pricing option. Then you have this steps right here, so you just have to finish this one. All right, okay, so now let's proceed to our demo. So here we have the payroll, hiring, onboarding, and HR time. So let's start the demonstration now. So here, this is the actual dashboard. Okay, so as you can see on the left side, so we have the home page, the payroll, the people, the HR, the reports, the taxes, the retirement, billing and invoice, and your settings. Okay, so right here we have these buttons as our guide. So just going to click on next. So we can easily run payroll for our company in just a few quick steps. So you just have to click on next and click on this payroll option that you can see here. Okay, and then after that you have the save option, so you just have to click on it. Okay, and then the next thing that we are going to do is to get the payroll and the HR info at our fingertips. So just have this fingertips. So here we just have to get the payroll and HR info at our fingertips. So searching in our own words. So we can use this search bar at the top. Okay, so for example, we are going to type out right here, how do I add a new hire? Okay, and then after that, you'll be able to see these options. Okay, and then be able to see here now the option that we can use as our guide. Okay, and then the next thing is to see top things to do. So to stay on the top of everyday tasks and to manage compliance with the payroll HR regulations. Okay, so click on next. Okay, so right here we need occupation info for people in Washington State. So after putting the information right here, just simply click on the save option. Okay, and then after that, here the next thing that we are going to do is to click the last payroll to quickly review your most recent payroll. Okay, so simply click on next right here, and then you have this last payroll, so you just have to click on it, and then here you have the weekly payroll information. So we have the cash required. Okay, so we can clearly understand this format. We have the check date, the pay period, the pay type, and then the disbursement. We also have here a chart so that we can see the proper distribution. So we have the disbursement and then our liabilities. Okay, so we also have here the payroll option. Okay, so now we can also view the canceled checks or dive deeper into the payroll history and reports. Okay, so you just have to click on the payroll options. So we have here now the payroll history, the payroll details reports, and etc. Okay, now here I'm just going to click on the people option, and then we will be directed to this section. Now, we can manage our employees and 1099s. Also, easily add and terminate your employees. So, click on next. All right, so to do that, you just have to go to the HR section. Okay, so here on the HR section, whether you need quick answers from their expert HR help desk or a full suite of HR tools, Run powered by ADP can help you grow the team of your dreams. Okay, so here we can see our hire and onboard. We can post jobs, conduct background checks, manage new hire paperwork, and add new employees or contractors. You can also terminate and rehire. So we can remove or rehire people in just a few easy steps. And for the performance management, so we can review and monitor people performance, benefits and leaves, HR compliance and guidance, and the HR reports. Okay, so right here we can now run connects directly to ZipRecruiter. We can easily review, rate, and invite candidates to apply, all in one place. So we have this post a job option right here. So just simply click on it, and then if you're ready to post a job, so you just have to go to the ZipRecruiter. All right, and then right here you have this option. So you can easily post a job from either a pre-built ZipRecruiter template or create your own custom job post. So you have that right here. Next, all right, so I just have to click on the post a job option, and then I just have to add here now the details of your job post. You go to the candidate section and you'll be able to see here now all of the people or the candidates that apply to your job, and then you can now send messages and more to your to the candidates. All right, so right here, you can, if you need to know how much people are getting paid for the type of job you're filling, so ADP salary benchmarks can help you make better pay decisions using the ADP pay data from over 30 million workers. Now, to process the payroll, the desktop experience, so you can process your payroll in a few simple steps. So when it comes to time to do your payroll, Run, powered by ADP, makes it more simple than ever to ensure that all of your employees are paid on time and your taxes are calculated, deducted, and paid automatically for you. Okay, so just going to start the tour. So to do that, all you have to do here is to your people in just minutes with helpful tips that guide you along the way. All right, so just going to click on next. So you just have to click on the run payroll option again, and then you will be directed to the section so you can pay your employees by the hour or by salary and customize any other earnings or deductions like bonuses, expenses, vacation time, and etc. You can even pay contractors or 1099s. So after that, you just have to click on the next option right here, and then the AI powered error detection flags potential mistakes. Okay, so you can go back and fix it, or you can also ignore that error. So paying the contractors is also easy. So here you have the contractors option that you can sort by last name, and then you have here now the details. After that, you just have to preview the payroll. The next one, to preview your payroll, goes to net taxes before you process your payroll to ensure you are paying accurately or make any last minute changes. So you have that information right here. You just have to preview your payroll and then check everything. And then once you're good to go, so you just have to click on the approve option. So once the payroll is approved, you won't be able to make changes. You have to take note of that. All right, and then you will be directed to this page. So after processing your payroll, you can view any reports you need. You can also import your payroll data to your accounting system. All right, so yeah, if you would like to see more information about this tool, so you just have to visit the website and then just launch the self demo. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.